courage to admit what is painful. If you want to find success in your life every day, have the courage to tell yourself and to speak to yourself what you know is painful in your life. Coach Pia, what do you mean by painful? Painful is anything that frustrates, hurts, or paralyzes you as a person. Have the courage to admit what those things are. What are the things that prevent me from moving forward in my life? And then when I ask a lot of my clients that, they know right away. They can tell me. They can give me a litany. Alam mo, Coach P, ganito yan eh. Nakatira ako sa nanay ko. I'm still financially dependent on my parents. These are things that paralyze them. And they're adults na. I'm talking about adults, ha? I'm not happily married. Or I am looking for love. Or di kaya, I'm unhappy with my boss. Or I'm unhappy with the industry that I'm in. I'm in an abusive relationship. There are many, many things. Now, have the courage to ask yourself that. And it will help you become successful. Why do I use the word courage? Because a lot of the time, we don't want to admit what these things are. What are the things that frustrate, hurt, or paralyze you?